Of some wintry precipitation earlier. I want to show you what it looked like earlier in Brown County. Thanks for joining us here on Fox West Texas Plus and all of our streaming platforms. You may have seen on social media a chance for wintry precipitation, especially across southeastern portions of our viewing area. I'm not expecting it to be a big, impactful wintry precipitation events. I'm expecting most of the freezing rain and sleet to stay in portions of the hill country along Interstate 35. If you're traveling though that way, it's definitely something to keep in mind and still could produce some impacts for places like Kimball County, McCulloch, Menard counties, southeastern portions of our viewing area. Earlier today, we saw some snow in Brown County. This is a photo courtesy of Campbell Farm in May, Texas. You see some beautiful snowfall earlier today in Brown County. This is northeast of the community of Brownwood. Another picture also from Campbell Farm in May, Texas. Just some nice little snowfall, maybe a little bit of grapple as well, looking out towards a body of water. So thank you to Campbell Farm for that photo. No wintry precipitation across the area at this moment. A little bit of some cloud cover that's kind of kept us feeling chilly in the Concho Valley and the Big Country. We are above freezing for a good portion of the viewing area. Once the sun set though, that's when things are going to change. Here's the weather system that's going to bring us our chance for wintry precipitation. Low pressure system right along the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles, southwestern Kansas, southeastern Colorado. That's going to move moisture from the Gulf, and as that moisture interacts with the very cold air across the Lone Star State, that warm air is going to be less dense and move over the cold air, and that's going to bring us our chance for some wintry precipitation. By about 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some wintry precipitation along Interstate 35, and by 2 a.m. could be impacting portions of Kimball and McCulloch County. By early morning Saturday, we won't be seeing the precipitation anymore. You could potentially see some slick spots on bridges and overpasses. Again, if you're traveling from San Angelo through Junction, through Brady, through southeastern portions of our viewing area, definitely something to keep in mind. I'm not expecting big impacts in the Big Country, not expecting any wintry precipitation in the Big Country. But of course, if you are traveling through this area, that's definitely an impact you want to keep in mind. Want to be prepared and just make sure you give yourself a little extra time if you do find yourself traveling. Saturday, we're going to see cloud cover. That's going to keep us relatively cool Saturday afternoon. Sunday, though, that's when we're really going to see abundant cloud cover. You can see Sunday at noon. This timecast, this computer model, showing us completely clear all across west central Texas. Sunday is really going to be a nice day. Not expecting any big weather impacts Sunday. So if you don't have any outdoor plans Sunday, I would really recommend making some, because it is going to be great in the weather department. Winds coming out of the east right now, keeping us relatively cool, but warmer certainly than the past couple of days. 39 right now, Big Lake, that's Reagan County, 34 Brownwood, and we're all above freezing. First time I've shown a temperature map in a while where all those temperatures are above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Closest is 33 in Stephenville, 36 Abilene, and 35 in San Angelo. Have that red highlight for the first half of Saturday, again for that potential of wintry precipitation. I'm not overly concerned, but you might see some slick bridges and overpasses. High of 48, I'm forecasting Saturday. High of 70 Sunday, and we're very quickly warming up, going from 48 to 70 Sunday and 70 to 80 Monday. So it's definitely going to be a warm start to the last week rather of February. High of 79 next Tuesday. And with all of these very warm temperatures, dry air, could potentially see some elevated fire weather concerns, especially during the day Wednesday. For now though, the main weather impact I'm concerned with is that potential of wintry precipitation. Before we end the live stream, I want to give you one quick look of the radar. And remember, we will have the full update tonight at 6 and 9.